Welcome to Voice AI Gram, Daily News and Intel, Thursday the 30th of October 2025. Today we're talking about a massive shift. Game changer. Telnyx, Ultravox, and Empathy drive Voice AI breakthroughs.
And the central message today is loud and clear. If you think Voice AI is a future maybe for your business, you're already falling behind. The game has officially changed, hasn't it?
It absolutely has. The days of it being a futuristic novelty are over. Look at what Telnyx is doing in Australia. They've deployed Sydney-based GPUs. Which sounds technical, but what it means for businesses down under is huge.
We're talking ultra-low latency, which means conversations are smooth and natural, not laggy and robotic. And crucially, it means onshore data compliance. That regulatory headache? Gone. It's a green light for Aussie entrepreneurs to automate customer service without breaking local data laws.
Exactly. It's taking this powerful technology and making it practical, secure, and ready to deploy today. This isn't just a tech upgrade. It's a direct path to slashing costs and offering 24/7 support.
And it's not just a local story. Ultravox and Voximplant are taking this global. Their big play is rolling out voice AI agents over standard phone calls. Think about the impact there. They can reach customers in regions with no smartphones or even internet access.
That is a massive leap in accessibility. But it brings up a critical point that Sanas is championing: empathy. We can automate everything, but should we? Just replacing humans with bots seems risky.
I'm glad you brought that up. It's easy to get excited about the tech and forget the human on the other end. The newsletter warns against this, saying brands lose loyalty when empathy is absent. The winning strategy seems to be a hybrid model. Automate the routine, but keep humans for complex, emotionally charged situations.
But then you see the other side of the coin. The sheer power for good. The collaboration between ElevenLabs and Stroke Onward, it's just incredible. They are using AI to restore the lost voices of stroke survivors. We're talking about giving people back a core part of their identity.
It's profound. It shows that this technology isn't just about efficiency and profit. It's about connection, communication, and humanity. It perfectly balances the conversation.
So the takeaway for any founder listening is crystal clear. The tech is here, it's affordable, and it's regulation ready. You need to be piloting a voice bot right now. Start small with a localized Telnyx agent, measure the impact, and then scale.
Your competitors definitely are. The tools are ready to go. The question is no longer if you should adopt voice AI, but how you'll do it smartly and empathetically.
Couldn't have said it better myself. That's all the time we have for today. To get these insights and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you subscribe to the Voice AI Guru Daily Gram. We'll see you next time.
Bye, humans. See you next time.